Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can blur an image using Canva. So let's use this mansion as an example. What you want to do, you want to go to edit image, then go to see all, and then go to blur. That's how you blur an image in Canva. If you only want to blur the background or certain parts of the image, I also have videos on that. I will leave a link in the description for those tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tutorials like this, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.